Good morning बच्चों. Today we will discuss preparation and chemical properties of chlorine and hydrochloric acid. Let us start with chlorine. The chlorine was discovered in 1774 by C.W. Scheele by the action of HCl on MnO2. At that time he thought that the gas evolved is oxygen, but actually it was chlorine, and the name chlorine was given by Davy. Now its preparation. It is prepared by the action of HCl on MnO2. When the mixture is heated, at that time manganese dichloride is produced, chlorine gas is produced, and water is also produced. Similarly, it is prepared by the action of acid like sulfuric acid using a catalyst, that is MnO2, manganese dioxide, with sodium chloride. In this case, magnesium chloride is produced, sodium hydrogen sulfate is produced, water is produced, and chlorine is produced. This is used as a test for chloride ions in a salt. Third method is by the action of HCl on potassium permanganate. When HCl is added to KMnO4 solution, at that time the pink color of KMnO4 solution disappears with evolution of chlorine gas. Thus KCl is formed, manganese dichloride is produced, water is produced, and chlorine is produced. In industry, it is prepared by Dickens process. In this case, the oxidation of HCl is done in presence of catalyst, that is CuCl2 at 723 K. Thus, we get chlorine gas and water is produced. Similarly, you have learnt in lesson 4 of NCERT, that is by doing the electrolysis of aqueous solution of sodium chloride, that is brine, you get chlorine gas at anode as a byproduct. Now its color, it is yellowish green in color with pungent smell and suffocating odor. It is soluble in water. It reacts with metals like sodium, iron, aluminium, and non-metals like phosphorus, sulfur, etc. For example, when it reacts with sodium metal, it forms NaCl, and when it reacts with phosphorus, it forms PCl3, PCl5, etc. It also reacts with hydrogen to form hydrogen halide like HCl. Combines with H2S, it produces sulfur and HCl. It also reacts with compounds like ammonia. When ammonia is taken in excess, at that time ammonium chloride and nitrogen is produced, but when the same reaction is carried out in excess of chlorine, at that time nitrogen trichloride and HCl is produced. Both the equations are very important. It reacts with alkalis also. For example, NaOH. When it reacts with cold and dilute sodium hydroxide, this chlorine, it produces NaCl, NaOCl, and water. That means sodium hydroxide reacts with chlorine, it produces sodium chloride, sodium hypochlorite, and water. But with concentrated NaOH, it produces NaCl, that is sodium chloride, sodium chlorate, NaClO3, plus water is produced. And the reaction of chlorine with concentrated and hot NaOH is very important. It generally comes in board exam. And last equation is also important. It reacts with calcium hydroxide to form bleaching powder with formula CaOCl twice, plus calcium chloride is produced, plus water is also produced. Chlorine is acting as a halogenating agent, that is chlorinating agent. It reacts with methane to form methyl chloride. With ethane, it forms ethyl chloride or 1,2-dichloroethane also. It is a strong oxidizing agent that can be shown with the help of these reactions. It oxidizes ferrous salt, that is FeSO4, to ferric salt, that is Fe2SO4 thrice. So see the first equation in which chlorine act as a oxidizing agent. It oxidizes ferrous salt to ferric salt and HCl is produced. Similarly, it oxidizes sodium sulfite Na2SO3 to sodium sulfate Na2SO4 and itself get reduced to HCl. Similarly, it reacts with sulfur dioxide. It changes sulfur dioxide into sulfuric acid and HCl is produced. Fourth reaction is reaction with iodine. This chlorine oxidizes iodine to iodic acid with formula HiO3 and itself get converted into HCl. तो आपने देखा कि जब भी क्लोरीन के साथ रिएक्शन हो रहा है तो एक प्रोडक्ट तो HCl बन ही रहा है. Ferrous salts are changed into ferric, sulfite salts are changed into sulfates, sulfur dioxide is changed into sulfuric acid and I2 is changed into iodic acid. As chlorine reacts with water, it produces nascent oxygen. Due to presence of this nascent oxygen, it acts as a strong oxidizing agent. Therefore, chlorine acts as an oxidizing agent, bleaching agent for vegetables, for organic matter, for paper, for clothes, etc. Second, it is used for preparation of compounds like CCl4, DTT, etc. Third is its compound, that is bleaching powder. It is used for sterilizing drinking water. Fourth, very important point, chlorine is used for preparation of two poisonous gases like phosgene with formula COCl2, tear gas CCl3NO2 and mustard gas ClCH2CH2S CH2CH2Cl. All these gases are very poisonous and they were used in wars. That is all for chlorine. Now we will start with hydrogen chloride. Globler prepare hydrogen chloride in 1648 by heating common salt with concentrated sulfuric एसिड. तो सबसे पहला जो मेथड है वो है कि सोडियम क्लोराइड ले लें या सोडियम की जगह आप पोटेशियम क्लोराइड भी ले सकते हैं. यू कैन टेक एनी क्लोराइड साल्ट. व्हेन इट इज़ मेड टू रिएक्ट विद सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड कंसनट्रेटेड एट 420 K, एट दैट टाइम इट इज़ चेंज इनटू HCl and sodium hydrogen sulfate is produced. Second reaction is sodium hydrogen sulfate again reacts with NaCl. It forms sodium sulfate and HCl is produced. तो HCl आपने लैब के अंदर देख ही रखा है. इट इज़ अ कलरलेस पंजेंट स्मेलिंग गैस, पर आपको नज़र आता है लिक्विड फॉर्म में बिकॉज इट इज़ मेड टू डिजॉल्व इन वाटर. It combines with ammonia to form ammonium chloride. Hence, it is used for testing ammonium ions in salt analysis. तो ammonium gas जो release होती है from any ammonium salt that is made to fume in presence of fuming HCl. It forms ammonium chloride with dense white fumes. Thus, ammonium ions are identified. Moreover, this HCl is a strong acid when it combines with nitric acid. 3 parts of HCl and 1 part of HNO3. It is called as aqua regia. This aqua regia is very strong acid. It can easily dissolve very least reactive, you can say, noble metals like gold and platinum. For example, gold with the symbol Au reacts with nitric acid in presence of chloride ions. It forms AuCl4 negative, that is gold salts plus NO plus water. Similarly, platinum is converted into PtCl6 to negative, NO is produced and water is produced. Thus, aqua regia dissolves the noble metals, and aqua regia, it is a mixture of 3 parts. Reaction of HCl with iron. Iron reacts with HCl to form ferrous chloride and hydrogen gas. This hydrogen gas prevents further oxidation of ferrous chloride to ferric chloride. Next topic is oxoacid of halogens. Fluorine form only one oxoacid because of its high electronegativity and small size. And the only oxoacid of fluorine is HOF, which is called as fluoric 1 acid or hypofluorous acid. While other halogens, they form many oxoacids which are stable in aqueous solution. For example, the different oxoacid of halogens are given. Nowadays, they are called as halic 1 acid, halic 3 acid, halic 5 acid and halic 7 acid, depending upon the oxidation state of halogen. For example, in case of HOF, the halogen has oxidation state 1, so it is halic 1 acid. Earlier it was called as hypohalous acid. For example, HOF is called as hypofluorous acid, HOCl is called as hypochlorous acid, HOBr is called as hypobromous acid and HOI is called as hypoiodous acid. Similarly, halic 3 acids are called as halous acid. For example, chlorous acid, bromous acid, iodous acid. Halic 5 acids were called as halic acids like chloric acid, bromic acid, iodic acid. And last is halic 7 acids, they are called as perhalic acid. For example, perchloric acid, perbromic acid, periodic acid with formula HOClO3, HOBrO3, HOiO3. तो आपने देखा जो हेलिक 1 एसिड हैं वो इस दे आर जनरली रिप्रेजेंटेड एज HOX. हेलिक 3 एसिड्स और हेलस एसिड्स आर रिप्रेजेंटेड एज HOXO. Halic 5 acids are represented as HOXO2 and halic 7 acids are represented as HOXO3. Now one question generally comes, arrange the following halic 1 acid, that is HOF, HOCl, HOBr and HOI in increasing order of acidic character. As you can see here, OH is same in all the cases. The only difference lies in the halogen atom. HOF is a strongest acid because fluorine is most electronegative element. It withdraws the electron from the oxygen and in return oxygen withdraws the electron from hydrogen. Thus H is released easily. So HOF is strongest acid while HOI is weakest acid. Similarly, these acids are also asked for arrange in increasing order. For example, HOCl, HOClO, HOClO2, HOClO3, that is the oxoacid of chlorine. Here the acidic character depends upon the oxidation state of chlorine. Higher the oxidation state of chlorine, more will be the acidic character. Therefore, the oxidation state of chlorine in first compound, that is HOCl, it is +1. In second compound, that is halous acid, it is +3. In third compound, HOClO2, it is +5. And in last compound, HOClO3, it is +7. So, perchloric acid has a highest oxidation state. Thus, chlorine, as it has a highest oxidation state, so it has more tendency to release H positive easily, because in this case the chlorine is highly electronegative. It will withdraw the electrons and release H positive ion. Thus, HOCl is weakest acid and HOClO2 is strongest acid. And see the structures of oxoacid of chlorine and draw them in your copy. Next are interhalogen compounds. Two different halogens, they react with each other. They form compounds called as interhalogen compounds like X X dash, X, X3 dash, X, X5 dash, where X is bigger size halogen and X dash is a smaller size halogen. And these interhalogen compounds are more reactive than halogens. The reason behind it is, in case of interhalogen compounds, the bond formed between two different halogens, so bond is not strong as halogens. Thus, it easily give halogens. Thus, interhalogen compounds are more reactive than halogens. Let us see its preparation. When chlorine combines with fluorine, it forms ClF. And if fluorine is taken in excess, it can form ClF3. Normally, the question comes to draw the structures and to write the hybridization of these interhalogen compounds. So, this has been separately discussed under structure section. Let us just discuss in brief. For example, XX3 dash, ClF3, BrF3, IF3, ICl3 positive, all of them, they have hybridization sp3d. Its shape and structure is bent T shape. In trigonal bipyramidal arrangement, the two equatorial positions are occupied by lone pair, while one equatorial position and two axial positions are occupied by fluorine atom. Thus, it gives a shape that is bent T shape. Similarly, X5 dash, like IF5, BR5, CL5, all of them, they have square pyramidal structure with sp3d2 hybridization, in which the arrangement is octahedral. Here, 5 positions of octahedral are occupied by fluorine, while 6th position is occupied by lone pair. Last compound is IF7. It has pentagonal bipyramidal arrangement with sp3 D3 hybridization, and their structures are very important. One structure is shown here. It is of BrF3 having bent T shape, in which you can see two positions are occupied by lone pair and third equatorial position is occupied by fluorine, and two fluorine are at axial position. This structure is very important. All the structures of interhalogen compounds are separately discussed. You can see in other lecture which is under the structures. That is all for today. Thank you very much.